And then I told him, I'm not gonna play hopscotch if you're gonna play tetherball. Get it?
Yeah.
So funny. Oh, hi guys. Welcome to Coffee or Tea Show. My name is Tyrel.
I am Imari, the vegan.
My name is Matthew.
Hey guys, I'm Trisha.
And we are the season 2 cast. We have a juicy topic to talk about today, guys, but first we have to start by putting away our phones.
Oh yes, no phones allowed. You ready? Drop them. Say goodbye.
And also we have to figure out what everybody wants to drink today. So,
I'm gonna do some coffee.
I'm gonna roll coffee this time.
I'm gonna do tea with extra sugar.
And I will have a coffee.
All right, so 1, 2, 3.
Oh my gosh, you have a goblet?
First off, for the audience, I want you guys to know that I am a wizard. I am certified in wizardology. Harry Potter is my stepbrother, and Voldemort is also my cousin. Team Gryffindor.
The more you know. Would you
All
like to
right.
present
Yes.
us with our topic then?
Yes.
You are half wizard, sir? Nothing.
So, manifesting your dreams. I like
That's a
this
good
one,
one.
guys.
Yeah.
I have a lot to say on this subject, if you don't mind.
Oh, you started
Start
If
off.
I spill the tea.
Spill the.
No, I just really enjoy this topic because I think it's an important tool that everybody should have to just think about the things that you want and to will them and allow them into existence, literally. And the most fun about it is like letting go, having the idea, knowing what you want, visualizing what you want, and then having it within you to let go of the possibility of, or to accept the possibility that you may not have it, but still feel just as joyous as if you did.
That's huge.
Yeah. And my favorite way, which I really enjoy because in the March issue, Emily Murphy wrote about something similar. My favorite way of manifesting is to write things down. So if I know that I want something to come to fruition, I have a special notebook. It's like my manifestation notebook, and I write down exactly that thing happening as if it was happening and how I feel.
Yeah.
And I will tell you, a solid 7 times out of 10, those things do happen. So I swear by it personally.
Right. It's like what's it called? You put it on your wall and
Vision
you make
board.
vision board. Yes. So it's like a vision board, or I like to do verbal. So I wake up in the morning, I do a little prayer, a little personal prayer, and then after I do that, I say, all right, so I'm going to wake up today and this is what I'm going to say. So I go in the mirror and I say, this is my plans for my life. I want to be a successful actor. I want to be a successful writer. I want to produce in different things. So the more and more you say it, you write it down, you make it a part of your life, it makes it possible because the same people who get in those positions that are in those positions that we so much sought after in whatever fathom it is, they have to first start out by saying, I know I can do this. And welcome in failure, because failure also helps you to learn about, being successful. So when it gets to that point where you're finally like, okay, I've said this, and then other things start happening, and then you start getting this, start getting that, and you're like, okay, well, if I keep saying it, and I keep envisioning, and I keep working hard for it, you have to work hard also. You can't just wake up and be like, oh, I want to be a trampy artist, or I want to be the best clown in the world. Yeah, you have to work hard, so.
I think it's a big difference too of actually acknowledging your goals and your dreams and how they connect, and how you can have a goal to visit all 50 states, and that might be a dream of yours as well, but like goals are attainable. You can set something down and actually do it, and that dream can come to fruition afterwards. And so if your dream is not something that's in your control, you still get to go along the journey itself and see what kind of goals you checked off, like see what progress you made, and knowing that that dream might look different at the end, but you got there some way. So what did you learn on the journey to get there? What goals did you actually achieve?
Right.
That's huge for me, because I know that we can have these crazy dreams, and like you said, like for you it's 7 out of 10 times. So I'm a practicality person, and how do I deal with when I don't actually achieve my dream, when it's right there in front of me and then it doesn't happen for whatever reason? And then where do you find your worth in that? Where do you find the intention that you just put into everything that's behind you? And you have to make your journey as part of that. So that's where I focus my energy.
And for some people, I'm working on getting better with notes. I'm not used to it yet, but I just do. But I need to be more prepared, and I'm working on it. For people that are trying to make notes for themselves, it's important. It's not just gonna fall in your lap. So it's chasing your dreams. I can fully understand that it can be difficult, but just keep trying. Don't give up, because just keep going.
Would you say that your guys' dreams has influenced other aspects of your life where it's not like your main thing, but like little sprinkled in? Like,
Oh yeah,
Yeah?
definitely. I feel like once, like you say, we have so many things that we say we want to do, and then you get in the point of your life where you're like, okay, I know what I need to do. I know what I have to do. I know I have to cut out from my life to do what I need to do. And when you get to that point, I feel like you're already 25% of the way there.
Yeah.
Because a lot of people have that aspect with anything. And especially when it comes to entertainment, that, oh, it's so easy. You can get in front of a camera, you can talk, you can be personable. And you get in front of the camera and you're like, oh, I have things to remember. Oh, this is in my face. So it happens to everybody. So when it comes to that sense of anything you want to do, just realize, wow, maybe I know it's going to be difficult, but would I mind sleeping in the car for my dreams? Would I mind if I said I'll have to do this and that? Would I mind having to sell this or sell that, or not even be in a comfortable state to where you know where your next meal may be for your dreams? And when you get to that aspect and you realize, okay, this is what it takes to get there, then you can say, I truly am.
oh my gosh, and how many times has somebody else helped you achieve your dream?
Ooh.
How many times have you had something so important and someone else has come behind you and championed you? And so that way they see you in that moment of struggle, or in that moment of, man, I'm losing it, man, I'm losing it. But then someone else comes behind you, you got this. You got this. Look at what you've done, and reminds you. And that we need other people to actually achieve our dreams too. It's not a solo sport, man.
Right.
And the more you share as well, the more you're vulnerable and you open up about your story, you're inviting people in and actually taking those steps with you. And so knowing that you can't get there on your own. At least I haven't. I've had too many people influence my life.
Right.
I can't get there
do
by
it on your
myself.
own.
And
You
motivation
cannot.
goes a long way. So it really does.
I like what you said about that with having other people, because there's like a thing, there's co-creating. There's like, you can have people to hold you accountable. You can have the people that are going to lift you up when you're feeling that lower vibration. So if you got the good people that you can count on, you have your intention set straight, and you know where you're going, 100%, you're going to succeed. Like, it's just, you have to have faith. You have to believe in yourself, and you have to trust yourself and your intuition. So a lot of the topics that we talk about in bUneke magazine, so you guys should definitely check out the magazine. Thank you to bUneke for presenting Coffee or Tea.
So much.
Check out the March issue for more on this specific topic.
And thank you to Starbucks
Yes.
for the lovely treats from them. on
Scrumptious.
Orange Blossom Trail. Thank you so much. We're very grateful. And for the coffee too.
Yes, much needed.
For coffee and tea. So make sure that you like.
Subscribe.
Share.
And follow us on social media.
All right, we'll see you next time, guys.
Bye.